Hey, what's up guys? I feel like I'm MKBHD. Hey, what's up guys? This is Kaiwan and today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a very nice seamless swipe transition for your Instagram literally under 1 minute. Actually, less than 30 seconds. Let's be honest. The good news is that you don't need Photoshop or Lightroom to create this. All you need is an app called Gbox. After done editing, you have your photo on your phone and then open Gbox, skip, and then we have swipe photo, as you can see, swipe photo option. So then upload a photo. Let's say I have this photo here, the last photo that I wanted to do. So you can crop it to 3 swipe or 2. In my case, I will go to 2 swipe, and then I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, and then something around here, and then done. And there you have 2 split photos, and you can directly post it on Instagram. Obviously, this app did not pay me to do this, so it's not sponsored. But I just want to support the app because it's legitimately amazing to have the option to do this so fast. It literally takes 20 seconds to create this swipe transition, which I've been looking for a long time, and I'm so glad that I found this app. That's why I wanted to share with you guys. I mean, I've been using Photoshop and Lightroom a lot, but it's time to actually give a chance to all these apps, amazing apps that you can actually get benefit without getting anything in return. Like, this app is for free. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please go ahead, like this video, because the god of YouTube, the algorithm, likes when you likes my videos. Otherwise, it will not be recommended to other people. And yeah, subscribe. And also, if you want to support my channel, please go ahead. The link will be in the description to all of my preset packs and also a lot of free presets. And let's overlay any kind of photography essential tools you can find. The link will be in the description, and I see you in the next one.